Hello, good afternoon. This is Michael Kinnett with Eternal Networks. It's been a little while since I've been on here. I took a little bit of time off on some of my live streaming for the holidays. As you can tell by my full beard now. I think I was clean shaven on my last video. But here I am. Here it is, January 2022. It's hard to believe 2021 is in the rearview mirror already. We had a pretty good year. We did a lot of webinars. We talked about cybersecurity quite a bit, talked about disaster recovery, firewalls, phishing testing, cyber insurance, quite a few other topics as well. And this year we're gonna continue the trend. We're gonna keep talking about what your business needs to know to stay safe in 2022. Our webinar is gonna be next Thursday, January 20th at 1 p.m. I'll make sure that the registration information is in the comments below for anybody that wants to register. And our topic this month is going to be how to build a cyber security plan for your business for 2022. So here it is, January, right? Everybody's set New Year's resolutions. Most of us have probably already failed at them. Typical, January, let's reevaluate and make some changes. And it's the perfect time to evaluate the cybersecurity for your business and to decide if any changes need to be made. So I know I've shared this in the past. We've got this new CyberSecurity Essentials for business owners booklet that we put out a couple months ago. If any of you are interested in one of these, please post something in the comments below. We'd love to drop you one in the mail. If your business does not follow the NIST Cybersecurity Framework or a similar framework to help determine what policies and procedures to put in place to protect your business data, I highly recommend reaching out to us for this book. This booklet will go over what the NIST framework is. It's going to go over some statistics, some facts and figures, and some data on, what man-in-the-middle attacks are, what is phishing, some of the key terminology that you'll need to know. And then it goes through from the Center for Internet Security framework, their set of controls. There's 18 set of controls with various sub-controls, 153, I believe, total, that go through areas that you can implement to improve your overall cybersecurity. And we're going to be going over some of that in our webinar next week on how to identify, how to do an assessment using these controls and how to identify the areas that you can improve. And some of them, you may be surprising, some of them are pretty cheap, pretty easy to implement, and can have lasting, impact on the protection of your business. So highly recommend joining us next week. It's gonna be Thursday. We always do them on Thursdays, 1:00 p.m. That's Pacific time. If you're in a different time zone, Pacific time next Thursday. Please register. We'd love to have you on there. As always, we'll be giving out an Amazon gift card for those that register. We're giving out one. Sorry, I should be more clear. One gift card to one attendee. So we have a randomizer that will randomly select a name to give that out. So please join us. Look forward to seeing you on there. If you have any questions about cybersecurity or technology in general, I love to chat. Post your questions in the comments below or join us next week and put your questions in our webinar. Hopefully everyone's doing well, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.